Hey guys, what's going on? Joseph Fulmer here, and today we're going to be replacing this marker light on my little 06 Ranger. As you can see, somebody clipped the front of it. I let my son borrow the truck, and he was over at a buddy's house, and somebody clipped the front of the truck. You could tell it was a tire on their vehicle that hit it and busted out my marker light. So ordered a set off Amazon, and we're gonna go through replacing them today because the other one has a crack in it as well. It's been like that a while, but it wasn't broken. Now, unfortunately, on these trucks, in order to get the marker lights out, you have to remove the headlights, which thankfully is fairly easy. So right here on the back of the headlight, there's a tab here. Lift that up, and this tab here, lift that up, and the whole headlight assembly should come right out the front of the truck, hopefully. What are we hung up on? Okay. It was just being uncooperative. So, once we don't have to actually remove it completely, we just need to get it out far enough to get to these two little screws right down here that hold the headlight in. So, oh heavens, look like they're probably 5.5 millimeter, which I don't have in this. Okay, so these are actually two different sizes. I don't know why, but top one is a 5.5 millimeter, which if you don't have a 5.5 millimeter, a 7/32 will fit. It'll work. And the bottom one is a 7 or a quarter, roughly. So we're going to, whoop, there we go. Get on that one. Zip him out. Get on the top one, do the same thing. Then we should be able to pull it forward, and there's this little metal piece that slides into that plastic piece back there. That'll pop loose, and then it's going to be really hard to see, but we're just going to reach in here and unplug. Actually, you know what? We're just going to give that a quarter turn, release the bulb and socket from the lamp assembly, like that. Then we can get that out of the way. And keep in mind, if the new lamp doesn't come with that rubber gasket, you want to save it to put on. This is our new one. It's manufactured by Eagle Eyes. They were nice enough, they label them left and right. Just remember, cut your buddy, not your body. Open that up. And I think these are like $42 for both the left and right on Amazon. And, oh, look at this. They even come with the socket in the back and a brand new bulb. So we're going to, in order to unplug this, push down on the tab, and we're gonna wiggle that socket out. We'll save that just in case we ever need it. Then plug our new one in. Push it right back where it belongs. Get our two screws in. Which is easier said than done. Got that one in. Get the bottom one in. And then we'll put the headlight back in. There we go. That's in. Now, before we put it all back together, let's make sure it works. Got a marker light and perfect. So everything works. We'll pop the headlight back in. Once you just line everything up. Which could be easier said than done, because these do move a little bit. Okay, once they're all in, just push your lock tabs back up. Push the lock tabs back down. Oh, we missed the bottom one. Make sure it's in there nice and tight. And that side's all done. Now I'll move over to the other side. Same thing here. Lift up on the lock tabs. Oh! There we go. Headlight should wiggle out of the way. Nice and easy. And they use the same size fastener on this side. So, let's see. There'll be this one. It should be a 5.5. I don't know why that 7 was in the other side, but it was. So, I'm actually going to unplug these. Oop. Or I'll just pull the bulbs out because there we go. Don't touch that bulb. Be gentle with it. There we go. Now you can see the screws a little bit better. Let's get in here. Zip that one out. Zip that one out. Well, that one wasn't snapped back into the plastic lock very well. We'll just push down on our tab. Okay, let's get the light out of the way. Okay, it's unlocked. It's just really in there. There we go. Okay, here's our new one. You just plug her in. I think it locked it. No, it didn't lock in yet. Why is it? Every now and then, these suckers just do not want to lock all the way in. Okay, and then that back in. Get our screws in. And she's done. Now just put the headlight back in. And that's just a matter of sliding the bulbs back in, locking them in place. Okay, slide the headlight back, get all the pins lined up in the proper holes. Hopefully. Oh, there we go. go. That one snapped in. That one snapped in. We're all set. 2 brand new headlights. Or, excuse me, 2 brand new marker lights. So guys, do me a favor, hopefully that helps you out. Please, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to rate the video, subscribe to the channel, and do me a favor, share this with your friends. And we will see you on the next one.